Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into Todoist, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Todoist, www.todoist.com. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the login button. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you have multiple options to log in. If you have an email and password, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If you're using Google, click on the Login with Google option. A new window will appear prompting you to select your Google account. Choose the account linked to your Todoist profile. Follow any additional prompts required by Google. If you prefer to log in with Facebook, click the Login with Facebook button. This will redirect you to the Facebook login page. Enter your Facebook credentials and grant permission if asked. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your Todoist dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Enter the email address associated with your account in the provided field. Check your email for a password reset link. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Once you have logged in successfully, explore your Todoist dashboard. You are now ready to manage your tasks effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.